Alright everybody, we're going to be making another cooking video today, and guess what we're cooking? Stuffed backstraps. So, stick around.
So what I'm doing is cutting a pocket into the backstrap to hold our goodies inside.
Looks like a backstrap taco, doesn't it? So the seasoning that I'm using is Head Country. And if you're going to be following along with these cooking videos, you might ought to get you some Head Country seasoning, because this stuff is awesome. So what I've done is I've cut and made a little bit of a backstrap taco, if you will, on both of these. I cleaned them up a little bit, and now what we're going to do, we're going to put some sweet relish inside. Then we're going to put some of this Philadelphia whipped garlic and herb cream cheese in it. Top it off with a little bit of Mexican blend of cheese. And then we're going to be wrapping them in bacon. You don't want to add a ton of relish in here. Just a little bit. Alright, now that that's done, we're going to get them all wrapped up in bacon. Now you want to put toothpicks in them so that they stay in place whenever you're cooking them. Alright. Now I just want to put another dusting of Head Country seasoning on it. Now it is ready to be cooked. Is that a thing of beauty? Now time for the second one. Now ain't this a thing of beauty? Now what we're gonna do, get the cast iron skillet going. We're gonna brown these, and then once they're nice and brown, we're gonna finish them off in the oven. And an important thing you want to do whenever you get done cooking it is let it rest. We're gonna let these rest for about 5 to 10 minutes after we get them out of the oven, and it will be delicious. I'll just do one at a time. Alright you guys, now that these are nice and brown, we're going to put them in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes, just until they get to about medium rare. All that's going to do is just continue cooking them until they get to the doneness that we like. Me and Nicole both, we like our meat about a medium rare. Look how beautiful that looks. that not look good? Looks delicious. Juicy. Alright, give it a try.
I guess it should be more. Alright guys, cheers. That was a big part.
Well, y'all, she likes it. Now, it's time for me to give it a try. Try not to get all my stuff squirted out the sides. Ah, well, the heck with it.
You guys, that is probably the best backstrap I have ever had. It is so good.
It's my favorite way to eat backstrap.
Alright you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and eat our food and I will talk to you guys in just a second. Hey guys, that was so good. I hope you guys really liked that video. Matthew is a really good cook. Like, so out of this world. He's awesome. So, it is 2023, January 2023. So as promised, don't think I forgot about you guys. I'm still here, I still remembered. I'm gonna do a giveaway because we overreached our goal. We are at 127 subscribers right now, and my goal was 100 subscribers. So I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys so much. So how you are gonna enter is I'm gonna have a link below in the description. You just gotta click on that, fill it out. All it is your name and how I can contact you if you do win. So yeah, just fill that out. Make sure you're subscribed because you can't win if you're not subscribed. And so let's not just stop there. In 2023, I have a lot of goals for my channel. There's so much, and I just want to improve on myself, and not even just YouTube, just in general, myself. As you guys know, me and Matthew are going to be getting married, so that'll be so awesome to 2023. And I want to know some of your guys' goals. So if you just leave a comment below, if you'd like to, let me know some of your goals. I really like goals. So for my goal for the end of this year, let's not just stop at 127. Let's keep going. My goal for the end of the year is 250, but let's try to get way over that. I just want to continue growing, and I'm excited to see where the channel goes. And I hope you guys have a wonderful year. This year has just started, so let's keep it going and have a wonderful year and a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, and keep living oak style.